Hey, today in front of me Tecno Camon 18 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First, we should open the settings application and after that tap to the sound and vibration section. If you wanna turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode or the haptic vibration, so just click here on the sections, use the switcher to activate the don't disturb mode. For example, if you wanna use the calls and notifications for any people, apps, alarms, you can make it here, just select it here, or also you can use the schedule, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. Also you can turn on or turn off the haptic vibration just by click on the section. Here we can see the volumes panels just to change media calls, alarm, ringtones and notifications. Volumes we should just hold and slide to the left or to the right side. There's panels. To change the ringtone, notification and alarm tones, just you should make it here, just select, click on the section and select one from these available sounds. To increase the incoming ringtone, you should use the switcher, and just to use vibration for calls, never always then ring gradually, use it here. Just to also use the sound and vibration, you should just select also one from these options. And to turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds and vibration touch sounds, so you should use the switcher you should click on each of the switchers. And to use the sound attachments, to use the volume booster for speaker, you should use the switcher. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Tecno Camon device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.